Here, get me on the film too, Mark. Here, you hold it.
I'm not filming.
Filming.
Jeez.
You can see me do it to just hide. What did you touch it? Okay. Ow. We're going to Ovations. Not that close.
Well, back up then.
I want to see my outfit. That's my outfit. Slow down. Your sign is something. This is Ovation. Oh, no, this isn't Ovations. This is the Associates deck. That's right. And you definitely have to be a member. And we've got his 2021 card membership thing. I'm wondering if I should go up there and you know, make sure we're on the list now. That girl out there. What do you think, Mark?